Hello. Hello everyone. I am seeing that we have to submit a project in August, and I'm not the mentor, but I proposed the idea for the Doubt platform. So that's why I am trying to help. Actually, I'm trying to help myself also because by submitting this project, I will also learn so much, and I feel that we can do this very easily because I started a month ago with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Node.js, and like because of the lockdown and everything, I am able to complete Node.js. I have been able to study it. I'm not an expert in it. I think the mentor is the best one to call an expert, but I'm just a beginner in Node.js. But I have created this project. See, we have to submit it out platform. So I have created this document which will give you how to start. So first of all, I will take just 5 minutes of your, and I will explain everything. So I see that in our group, in our team, the team for the Uplift project, there are various levels of people. Like somebody does not even know HTML, and somebody is an expert in Node.js. So what I have done here is I have created a crash course type of thing. Not these are not my videos; these are Brad's videos, like Traversy Media. Like I have myself learned the whole Node.js from him. So anyone who has no knowledge about web development can start here. Revise HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is the crash course for HTML. You go to this link. I will give you this document. Study HTML. Then you go to CSS. In our project that we are making, we will be using Materialize. It's a very good CSS framework. It makes the work very easy. So these are the crash course. It's not necessary to watch these two crash courses, but if anyone wants to have a complete idea about Materialize, so he can watch both parts. But I think part one will be enough. And to be honest, I have not. I only know Bootstrap and CSS, and I have not watched Materialize crash course. But still, I was able to do. I was able to follow. This is for anyone who is beginner with JavaScript. This one, and this is about async await callbacks promises. So it will help him a lot. If anyone wants to learn about high order functions, arrays, or something, I can give you another link, but it's not required, so I did not include it here. After you are covered with this is basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that is required for the course, for the project. After this, you start with Node.js crash course, 1 hour video, very good, very well explained. I promise I made 2 3 projects. I can show you also. You go to my GitHub, links are also there, and I have made everything from with the help of this tutorial only. So this is Node.js crash course. This teaches you Node.js from basics. This is Express crash course. Very good, very good. I really recommend it. After that, like this will just take like hardly if anyone is a beginner also, it will hardly take a week to cover all this. These are just 1 hour videos and very well explained. This is the resource that I myself recommend. So after that, we start the project. This is the video of the project. Like the project, this is 2 hours, 28 minutes. This video is like this is the video lecture in which he makes the app from scratch and completes the app. This is very good. If you have any doubt, you can ask me also. I have myself followed this whole 2 hours 28 minutes video and created this app, Storybooks app. So this we will convert this Storybooks app into our Doubt platform. So how? So let me log out. Right? How this works? So this is Google Auth. This is authentication using Google Auth. Suppose I use my ID. So it I am logged in right now. I can also log in using different Google account. So now if I go to public storage, so these are all like this is MongoDB database. This is fetching all the stories from MongoDB database. So don't worry, you will be understanding about MongoDB database also. No problems with that. I will include something about MongoDB also. I should. So if you go like you can make stories. These are all the public stories right now because only I have created. I can add another story from here. If I go, if I go and write hello and I am Aadhar, how are you? So this will, if I save this, this is stored into a database, and this 11:20. This is the dashboard. So it is coming in the dashboard, and also if you go to the public stories, this will show all the stories that are public. So right now the story is public, but I can make the story as private also. I can edit it. So this is another CRUD operation that we are doing. It's very very easy. It's this project is very good for our doubt platform. Basically, a student will log in, then he will create a doubt, and all the doubts of all students can be look at these public stories, like public doubts. All the doubts will be able, the teacher will be able to see here, and the teacher will not be able to edit this because these are all my stories, my doubts. So that's why it is showing the edit option. But you follow this tutorial, it's very good. I think I hope I am able to make my point across. Like I can log out, then I can go from another account. So suppose I go from this Krishna Swami account. So what happens now is, right now Krishna Swami has not made any doubts, any stories. So it is not showing. But if he goes to public stories, he can see all the stories from Aadhaar, right? So like this, Krishna Swami will be able to see all the doubts of Aadhaar, and he can also say doubt. You can make his doubt public or private. And this is the CK editor. Like everything is explained so well in this video. See guys, it's 2 hours 28 minutes. I cannot explain how good this is. So hello, I am Krishna. How are you? I am facing doubt in oops in Java. Link is geeks for geeks dot ggl. Some link he can put here of his doubt. He can explain his doubt. I am not understanding line 50, line 33, line 33, or line 53, right? So he can save it, and then his doubt will also appear in his dashboard. This is his personal dashboard. He can, and his doubt will also appear in the public stories. So if I log out from Krishna, also if I give you this link, you can always make your, right? So if I go here and I make, if I go from login from Aadhaar, right? So see, these are all personal doubts because this is the dashboard route. But if you go to the public stories, so see, Aadhaar is able to see the doubt of Krishna. So this is a doubt platform. This is the idea of a doubt platform. So I think we should 100% do this. This is very easy, right? So come on guys, this is the video tutorial, and this is the project link. We will convert this project. We will we all will make some changes. We can make some kind of functionality for comments. The mentor can guide us. The mentor is with us. This is the code of the project, which is like this code is working here. I have deployed it using Heroku. I know how to deploy it. I wasted a lot of time learning how to deploy and how to not how to say, not show the keys to the world. Stop. आजकल लोगों क्या हो गया? Okay. Final project. Okay, so this is all. Let's start guys. It's a lot of time we have wasted already. So let's